I'm sure you've heard the news. Nature is like a magic potion for your mind. Let's explore why. Imagine this: a walk in the park, the sun warming your face, the sound of leaves rustling in the wind. Just a few minutes outdoors can work wonders for your mental health. Studies show that spending time in nature reduces stress, lowers anxiety, and boosts your mood. Think of it as a natural reset button for your brain, and it doesn't stop there. Nature can improve your focus, make you feel more connected, and even enhance your creativity. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, take a break, step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and let nature's healing magic do its thing. Remember, the best things in life are free, and nature, well, it's the ultimate free therapy. So go on, embrace the great outdoors and feel better instantly.